Hey everyone, welcome back to the LTF and more. Today, I'm excited to bring you a sound demo of the T-Rack S Tape Echo plugin by IK Multimedia. This plugin beautifully captures the classic warmth and character of vintage tape echo units, adding depth and texture to any sound. In this video, I'll showcase a variety of echo effects and demonstrate how T-Rack S Tape Echo can enhance your mixes with its rich, analog-style delay tones. At the end of this video, I have another freebies for you. So let's jump right in and hear what this powerful tape echo plugin can do. Thanks for watching this sound demo of the T-Rack Tape Echo plugin by IK Multimedia. I hope you enjoyed hearing the warm, vintage tape echo vibes it can bring to your tracks. Before you go, don't forget to grab another freebie Future R&B and hip-hop chords MIDI pack, available for a limited time only. Check out the link in the description below to download it now. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new demo or production tip. Drop a comment and let me know what you want to hear next. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.